I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Replikanto. First, head over to the Flowbot's website to register and download the Replikanto software, which typically comes as a Ninja script add-on. Once downloaded, open your NinjaTrader 8 platform. Go to the Control Center, select Tools, then Import and choose Ninja Script add-on. Locate your downloaded Replikanto file and import it. After installation, remember to restart NinjaTrader to complete the setup process smoothly. Next, you'll need to handle the licensing and connect your trading accounts. In NinjaTrader, navigate to Help, then Third-Party Licensing. Type Flowbots as the vendor name and create a user-defined ID. Click Submit to generate your unique machine ID, which you will copy and paste onto the Flowbots website to finalize your purchase. Afterward, ensure your trading accounts are connected with a NinjaTrader's Connections menu, ready for Replikanto to access. Now, let's configure Replikanto for trade replication. From the NinjaTrader Control Center, go to Tools, then Replikanto Settings. Here, you will designate your main leader account and add any number of follower accounts that will copy the trades. Replikanto offers several copy methods, including exact quantity, ratio, and net liquidation. Select the method that best aligns with your trading strategy to ensure precise trade duplication across all accounts. Finally, it's time to test and optimize your Replikanto setup. Execute a few test trades on your leader account to confirm that all trades are accurately copied to your follower accounts. Use Replikanto's real-time monitoring tools to check performance and synchronization. You can also fine-tune replication settings, adjusting parameters like trade size, or exploring advanced features such as network mode or stealth mode for enhanced functionality and security. Remember to save your NinjaTrader workspace to preserve all Replikanto settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.